When you get finished here, please go check out our TikTok and Instagram. And while you're there, please give us a follow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Devin here from Let's Head Out. Today, we are going to do a little walk around and a room tour of the Holiday Inn Express in Mount Sterling, Kentucky. So yeah, let's head out. So I'm going to give you a little walk around of our room before we get all sprawled out in here. All right, so this is the room that we were in. It is, what, 216, I think they said? Mm-hmm. So yeah. I got a little air conditioner and a desk. It's like a light. I'm not sure if you turn it off and turn it off. And it's got a TV and all kinds of drawers. It's got a little whatever you want to call it in between the beds. It's got a closet with ironing board, safe, clothes hangers, mini fridge. It's cold, which is good. Keurig. Microwave. It's got a little stand there for your ice. And it's got a bathroom, a shower, which is good. Shower. So yeah. This has got Dove body wash and lotion. Dove in there as well. So yeah, just a little quick room tour. Alright, so they actually have a coffee maker here. It's actually grounds the coffee, makes it for you. And then this is their continental breakfast. So yeah. And they have a little pancake maker here, which we're gonna make one of those here in a minute. And then they got an orange juice dispenser. So yeah, pretty cool. More pancakes?
You have to put your plate right there.
Yeah. Oh, forgot. This is nuts. That's crazy. That's fun. I've already done 2 here, but it's just beats out one. That is so crazy. Alright, so we're gonna I'm gonna take the stairs down here and show you the weight. There's like a little gym weight room area, there's also a swimming pool inside here. So I'll take you down this way. And so yeah. All right, so this is the pool area. It's warm in here, almost like a spa. So we're gonna walk down and look at the gym real quick. All right, so we're gonna walk down here. The gym is, so here it is, the fitness center. Ow! Hit on the door frame. So yeah, got inclines and treadmills and little weight area. I'm not quite sure what that is. You can tell that I hang out in gyms a lot. So yeah, that's about all of this little walk around. All right, so that was just our quick walk around and room tour of the Holiday Inn Express in Mount Sterling, Kentucky. I will say that they're doing some renovating right now. There was some people painting whenever we first got there and checked in. I did not see them doing any other painting the rest of the time that we were there. I don't remember it saying anything whenever we booked the hotel that they were renovating. But then after we checked in, I looked at the app again, and it did say that they were currently under renovations. It wasn't too much of an inconvenience with them there or anything like that. We just so yeah. It was a good stay. I really enjoyed the pancake maker. It was a lot of fun to push a little button and watch the pancakes cook themselves. So yeah, that wraps this video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this video and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching our other videos are the best two ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you'd like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is channel membership. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. So I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!